back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install this 82 to 02 Camaro Firebird Dimmer Switch.
Hey guys, Kevin with Screaming Chicken here today. I've got a LT1 Trans Am here that's got a dimmer switch that is no longer working. If you can see behind me here, the lights are stuck in the high beam position, and you'll note the bright lights dash light is on. So today we're going to show you how to change the dimmer switch so that you can fix that issue. Okay, so you've got two Phillips headed screws that you're going to want to remove for your lower dash cover. One here, one here. You'll have to disconnect your hatch release button. And you're going to have two 7mm bolts down at the bottom. One here, and one here. So we'll go ahead and do that. Get that done. Okay, so in this lower panel, you've got either a retaining clip or screw. It can vary from year to year. Over here on the right side beside where your stereo area is, and then one all the way over to the left side by the kick panel, and that will let this panel drop, and then you can just pull it down out of the way. One thing you want to make sure you do, because you're moving around a steering column with an airbag in it, is disconnect your battery. Okay, so you've got a brace that runs underneath your steering column right here that's got a 10mm nut on each side that you'll want to remove. Drop this out of your way. And then you've got two steering column nuts holding up the column, and then 3 bolts down on the firewall. You're going to take out the top 2 bolts and loosen the bottom one, and then remove the 2 nuts at the column so that you can drop down the column and get access to the top. And then this is your new dimmer switch. You'll have a bolt here and a bolt here. There's not a lot of room up in there to show you guys, but you'll have a rod that slides into this end, and it'll sit on your column this way in the car. You also have a plug here, and then once you get it in place with the rod in and tightened down, you're going to want to remove this bar as well after it's all installed. The front bolt for the dimmer is somewhat easier to access if you just reach through here where you drop the column. And then the rear bolt, you'll have to go up underneath. And you'll want to get your plug as well. That. Okay, now you can see, guys, when I pull the bright light switch, we are fully functional again. Got to finish putting together the covers on the dash, and we'll be ready to go.
Okay guys, now here we've got a column up on the table just to make it easier for you to see, and I'll go through the steps. So here you can see where you remove the 2 screws that hold it on, and you can see the plug in the front frame there. And once you have the 2 screws removed, the switch will just slide off, and the bar will slide out of the front there. You can see me pinching it. You'll take your new switch, slide it into place, and slide the bar into the new switch. It's keyed, so it only goes one way. You'll put your 2 bolts back in. Slide it up so it puts pressure on the bar. And then I used the markings from the bolts on the old switch to kind of eyeball and align where it should fit on the new one. And went ahead and tightened it down. And then you'll pull out the little bar there that'll release the switch. And then you'll pull on the stalk of the column. You should hear a definitive click to let you know the switch is working. And then you're good to go.
All right, real quick, we're going to show you how to easily find this product on our website. Hover over 3rd Gen 8292, then hover over Interior, then click on Steering Column Related. As you can see, it's the very first product on that page. Click on that and add your 82 to 02 Camaro Firebird Dimmer Switch to your cart. This product is for both 3rd and 4th Gen Camaros and Firebirds. If you have any other questions, please let us know, and don't forget to like and subscribe.